Hey Ron, my name is Christina. I reached out to you a couple days ago about helping you out with a website and getting you ranked on that first page of Google. So I'm just going to go over with a quick video about some of the things that I can do to get your online presence boosted and get you some more customers with getting you a website built up. So we're going to jump right into it. Google looks at three things primarily whenever they're looking at ranking you on the first page. Those three things are content, citations, and backlinks. So content has to do with what's on your front page. So right now we just have a Facebook page. If we're looking at building you a website, when I searched home repair near me, Precise Painting KC is one of them that popped up at the top for Independence area specifically. And you'll see here on their front page, content has to do with how many words there are on the page, as well as pictures and what the pictures are saved as. If you had any videos on the page, which they don't. But content, if I'm building a website, the first thing I'm going to do is start out with 1,500 words on that front page so that we can completely blow this competition away, because what we're looking at here is only about 500 words on their front page. So it's not just the amount of words, it also has to do with keywords. So if somebody searches a keyword such as, or phrase, such as home repair near me, then we would want to specifically have that word on your front page in the content so that it links back to home repair near me in a Google search. So 1,500 words, and then actually good content of the services that you give, and making sure that there's links that come back to those keywords will get you ranked on Google. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. So if you want to get ranked in the map, so if I search something like home repair near me, this is what we call the Google Map Pack. I don't know about you, but I actually, when I'm searching any kind of service, will do 90% of my business through who's ranked on the Google Map Pack, because I know that it's going to be a local company, versus coming down here, you're going to see a lot of ads, you're going to see these websites like Angie's List, and then I would have to do some more research. So I just want instant gratification when I Google, and so I'm going to jump here into the Map Pack. So how you get ranked in the Map Pack to be in these first three is going to be getting actually listed on these websites with your name, address, and phone number, and then your website. So we call that the NAP, N-A-P, name, address, phone number. So you've actually got, when I did some research on yours, you've actually got your business listed under a lot of those. All we got to do is get you a website and get those links, get your website listed in there, and then it would link back to that. So it will be really easy to get you ranked up in these top three. So things like Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, the Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, all of those is what I'm talking about. And we get your name, address, phone number, and website attached to those, and it's going to get you boosted here in the Map Pack. It would be super easy to get you in these top three. The third thing that Google's going to look for is backlinks. So I have this tool called Ahrefs. Cost me about $100 a month. You can get this. It's ahrefs.com. And so when I typed in your competitor here, you'll see a couple things on this. We have got the UR and the DR. That talks about UR is the power of the links that are coming back to their web page, and DR is the trust rating. And this is out of a 100-point scale, so you'll see that they're actually pretty low, but these guys are on the top of the page when you search on Google. So when I'm looking at this, they've got 65 backlinks from 27 different web pages. That's what a domain is. So 65 different backlinks, and I can actually come in here, click on the backlinks, and see exactly where they're getting their links from. Okay, which you'll see a lot of these are citations. Yellow Pages, Porch.com, MapQuest. I don't even know anybody used MapQuest anymore. So not all links are created equal. Just like I talked about on that front page, the DR and the UR, so the power versus the trust rating. So somebody like Yellow Pages, obviously it's been around for a long time. It's got a lot of power. You get a link from Yellow Pages, it's got 90 power. And then the trust rating is 14. So something that obviously you're not actually getting business from Yellow Pages itself. So it's used a lot. It's got a lot of power to get a link, but we actually want to get to your link to get the trust rating. So what I would do is get you added in all of these and get your website listed and get those backlinks back to your page. And when we add in those backlinks, we're going to look at a link for something with one of those keywords like I was talking about, home repair. And I can actually look in here and see exactly what the link is from your competitors and then go get that exact same link. So if you want to use this tool, like I said, it's about $100 a month, and you can see exactly where people in your competition is listing their web page, and you'll be able to do the same thing. So that pretty much wraps up today, just those 3 tips. I want to make this really quick so I didn't waste a bunch of your time. We can talk a lot more. If you like what you saw, just give me a call back at 816-323-4100, and we can talk more about what I could do for you. Or you can use these tips that I talked about today and jump right in and get working on getting you a website and getting you some more customers. Thank you for watching this and taking some time out of your day, and I hope to hear from you. Have a good day.